Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel Creative Ways of Life. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make these easy and beautiful DIY floral wreath using Dollar Tree wooden wreath and flowers. You can use this wreath to decorate any event. So let's get started. What you will need is a wooden wreath like this. I got this from Dollar Tree. You can also use any wooden hoop or even an embroidery hoop also to make this floral wreath. You will also need a jute thread. I got this from Walmart. You can also find one in Dollar Tree or Amazon too. It has to be the thinner one. And you need some artificial flowers. These are also from Dollar Tree. I got dahlia in peach color and hyacinth in white. I thought I would use white flowers, but I am not using white hyacinth as the wreath was very small to add too many flowers. And I got blue iris and peach hydrangea. Start by removing flowers and leaves off. Here I removed the label from the wreath but retained this wire which had label. I will show you why later in this video. Please keep watching. Now cut the string to about 6 to 8 inches and tie a knot at one end and pass the knotted string through the whole of these flowers followed by the leaves as shown. Marking the position where you want the flower to be placed, now insert the thread into the space between the wreath and tie it as shown. Each of these set of flowers have their own kind of leaves. You can mix and match them however you like. Here blue iris came with this long green leaf. Now I am doing same thing with dahlia flower too. Here I am removing the hard part of the stem from dahlia leaves as it was a hindrance to tie it to the wreath. And then I am passing the knotted string through the whole of these leaves as shown. I am tying peach colored dahlia flower to either side of the blue iris flower in a similar fashion. Here I am showing another way to attach this long leaf instead of tying by just passing the leaf through the empty space in between the wreath. By doing this, you can adjust the position of the leaf however you want it to be. I made 2 wreaths of this kind. For the third one, I added 2 hydrangeas on either side of dahlias and 2 more iris at the end of each side. Since the hydrangea flower has long stem, I just inserted them into the space through the wreath as shown. Or another option is to tie them as well. And at the end, I tied blue iris in the similar fashion as I did before. Now I am using this wire to connect the wreath to this artificial green ivy leaf vine, which I will be using to hang to the backdrop. Now our DIY floral wreath is ready. Soon I will be uploading a video on how I used this wreath to decorate a birthday event. Stay tuned for that video. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel Creative Ways of Life for more such videos. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.